they need to identify which one is progress work, and then they need to put the box on the room. So we go to the next step. The second step is the acronym. You must be curious with the acronym.
Aku nak main.
So, it's the acronym is the key point, the keyword. So, the
Important record.
kepentingan. For H, the harta. And same goes for all of them. So, we go to step. So, the test is same as above. So, what make it different is the keyword for unsur, the type of pemilik completed in the muamalat. Is you, is BD, is riba, is qadar,
let me show you how many words. How many words. Well, before the lesson begins in the classroom, for the after
Laju lagi. Macam ni. Sama macam review tadi. Bagilah dia.
Minecraft. Nampak? Oh, Cikgu Ana.
Bila next pun akan ni kafankan.
Woi.
Itulah. Sama je ada notasi.
Ni pakai AI
generate.
Generate.
Generate AI. Ni
the teacher doesn't have to use the demonstration at the front.
Yang tunjuk yang lain, yang ni banyak sikit.
Dari wow. Banyak sangat. Sabar. Sabarlah. Bagi. Ni dia orang tadi. Ada berapa? Okey, baik. Hari ni guru merah panci. Dia orang semua oh tu saja tu.
Oh.
Dia orang dia main lepak kan. Oh maksudnya dia lain dia punya